dear beloved brethren. The topic that I have given to us is about should Christians support protest and demonstration against government corruption. And I'm highly welcome my brother Theo in today's topic. In my opinion, Christians should support protest and demonstration against government corruption. Standing against corruption does not mean that one is against the government. Christians are called to stand for the truth and justice. Especially today, Christians should be encouraged to speak the truth to power and hold the governor and leaders accountable. Many people say that whoever stands against government corruption is disobeying God. But Christians are not against the government. Christians should stand against the corruption and evil. Justice, which is around us.